Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Outlook tasks. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and sign into your Outlook account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Outlook mailbox. Now to access your tasks, look at the lower left part of your screen and click on the To-Do icon that looks like a small checkbox. This will open your task management section where you can view your existing tasks and create new ones. To add a new task, click on Add Task at the top of your list. A window will appear asking for details. Give your task a clear title using action words like call, review, or submit. You can also add a due date, reminder, notes, or relevant links. This helps you stay organized and ensures you don't forget any details. Once all the details are added, click Add or Save to store your task. You can always edit or update it later as priorities change. To make things even more efficient, Outlook allows you to organize tasks into lists such as work, personal, or urgent. This helps you focus on specific areas depending on your day. And that's it. So that is how you can create Outlook tasks. So that's all for this video. Thanks.